Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'll show you how you can edit photos using Google Gemini step by step. Whether you want to enhance, retouch, or completely change your photo, Gemini's new image editing tools make it super easy, and yes, it's free. First, you can just go to gemini.google.com or open the Gemini app on your phone. Make sure that you're signed in with your Google account, and then you can click on a plus button in here to start editing a photo. You can either upload an existing photo or generate one using a text prompt. For example, type portrait of a girl in natural sunlight with soft tones, and in here I'm going to use the nano banana tools. Hit on submit. So Gemini will instantly create or analyze your image. Now the fun part, let's edit. So just describe what you want. For example, you can add a soft background blur, change outfit color, and make it look like a painting. So for example, I'm going to just write make it look like a painting. Okay, hit on submit or enter again. Gemini processes your request instantly. So this is the previous generated image, and this is a new one. And if you're not happy with the first version, you can click on refine and try it again, or you can also click on redo in here. You can also stack prompts like add more brightness, smooth the skin, and make the eyes pop. Gemini remembers your last version and applies changes naturally. Once your photos look perfect, you can click on download in here to save it to your device. You can also copy the prompt and use it again later. So it's great if you want consistent edits across multiple photos. And that's it. That's how you can edit photos with Google Gemini in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI editing tutorials. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.